What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to extract without WinRAR or zip on files on your Windows 11. So let me directly get into this step. So first one, just go over here in the File Explorer and navigate to the documents, because I'm going to demonstrate you with one example over here. So you can see there is one zip file over here right now. If I wanted to expand, I wanted to extract this without using any kind of WinRAR or zip file, what I need to do is just right click on this one, and right now you just need to click over here the options called extract all. And right now what we need to do is it's going to ask you where do you want to extract. Just click on the extract so that the extract will be completely taken place, and as you can see it is all done. So similarly, apart from this, you can also extract in another way. That is all about, we just need to go over here, right click over here, go to new, and just create a new folder over here. So I have created a new folder, and all I have to do is just keep scrolling down and navigate to the extracted the file over here, right, as you can see this particular file. And now I need to go back over here at the top. Now I need to go back over here at the top. So what I need to do is I just need to keep scrolling down and go over here at the top. And what I need to do is after selecting this particular file over here, I can copy this, and all I have to do is just go to this respective folder over here, or I can just do like this, right click on this particular one, or I can just do like this. What I need to do is I'll be showing you with dragging out. So I need to, hence it is over here, all I have to just go over here at the top like this. Or I need to do is, let me do like this, right click on this one, let me copy this and paste it over here in the desktop. Okay, so what I need to do is, once the files which I have already created folder over here, right, as you can see I have created a very recently, I have created a folder. So all I'm going to do is just go expand both these things like this. So now I'm going to copy this particular one and I'm going to paste it or insert this particular extracted on the folder. So over here, if I go to do like this, it is going to ask me like this for this one, and I have to right click on this one, and also you can just go for show more options, and also you can go for extract as well. So that's all you have to try, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye bye.